Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I have tried several shades of the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink lipsticks line, and I can say that none of these lipsticks have disappointed me. This shade right here is number 40 called Believer. As you can see, this shade is purple, and I love it because I feel like it goes really well with my skin tone. It makes my lips pop, and I love that it is different from what we usually go for, which usually we can go for pinks or reds. I love that this is a different shade as it is purple. And this one has 5 millimeters or 0.17 fluid ounces. And this lipstick, it lasts a very long time. I can usually have food and I do not have the problem of the lipstick getting removed from my lips. The way that I can remove this lipstick is by using a makeup remover. And honestly, it is absolutely amazing. It does not leave my lips feeling dry. In fact, it applies very smoothly on my lips. And that is my point of view.